guys, welcome to myToyS TV. Today we have something special. Everybody calm down. Everybody don't talk loud. Cover their eyes. Everybody calm down. Don't scream. Close your eyes in 3, 2, 1. You can open now. We have a robot cockroach. It's called
a giant cockroach.
Roach.
Yeah.
Roach.
It's a cockroach. It's a giant cockroach.
A robot cockroach. I'm gonna scare my family with it. Oh, it's robot. We have LR4.
Yeah, we need some battery, right? We need some battery, and they got infrared to control the
We
cockroach.
already have a lot of seashell pipe.
Yeah, we need some.
Glossy pipe.
Yeah, we need some screwdriver. Yes, we have screwdriver for that.
Do you have scissors to open the tape now? Camera, baby. Okay. The scissors are already open. Oh, I'm so excited.
Ooh, he looks scary, right?
It's
It's nothing. It's a cockroach.
It just has wheels.
Yeah, that's close up, close up, close up, close up.
A close-up cockroach.
Oh, he looks scary.
It's actually kind of rubbery. Look.
Gonna eat it?
No, you eat it then. If you want me to eat it, you eat it by yourself. How do you use this?
Let me.
Look.
Yeah, you need free battery in the remote control, the infrared control, free battery inside the tummy of the cockroach. Don't drop the screw or else you cannot. Give me the batteries. We need to get a lot of LR44 batteries. We have a lot of toys which need this LR44.
How much do we need?
It's free battery each for the remote control and the cockroach.
But why is there 2 spare buttons that we can't use? I'm gonna be a cockroach. You have a cockroach.
You remember once the
when I
cockroach?
was sleeping in the midnight, there was one cockroach that who bit my arm. No, bit my arm. He went over my arm and I screamed very loud, and this camera screamed too, and also I was crying and went to the toilet and also finished it. It was like this. It was not that big.
So are you ready for cockroach challenge? Will you be scared with the cockroach?
Is it like this or like this? Let's see. It's like this.
Okay, the cockroach is ready. But we still need the remote control. Ooh, the cockroach is live right now. Let me turn it on. You see? Give me the remote control. Are you scared? Are you scared?
He still looks like he's walking.
You can scare your classmate, right? Tomorrow after school, I bring it to your school, and then you can try to scare your
I have
classmate.
to put it in the secret place before I do.
You want to show it to your classmate with your giant cockroach?
Yes.
It can be fun, right? Better than the magic tricks. You like magic tricks more or the cockroach more?
Magic trick.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Oh, the screw is too small. It's very small. I need the smallest screwdriver.
Which one?
The screw is very small. Okay, let me turn it on, see how it works.
ABC, you do it. I'm not touching it.
How to turn it on? No,
Oh.
it seems not working. No, it's nothing happened.
Give me.
I don't know. Is the battery working? I guess it's working. Maybe I get it wrong. I don't know. Let me try. No, it should be working.
Did
Or
you
the-
put negative and positive?
Yeah, everything should be alright.
Can you give me the cockroach? Ah! You scared me. Yeah, don't call it.
Now you can scare.
Give me, I want to control, baby.
Be careful, don't drop your don't drop the batteries. Now you can scare somebody, right?
How scared of Harry Jack?
You look scary.
Bye guys, see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give us a big thumbs up. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. And we want 1 million subscribers, so press the subscribe button and we'll see you all next time.
So
Bye.
now we are going to scare somebody with this giant cockroach, right?
Okay, bye.
Bye.